Hello everyone. So in December, where March 23, right? So now in December, my tita from Singapore will go back to Philippines. So she gonna buy me some VR because I want the VR because VR is so realistic. When I tried VR in Time Zone, it was realistic. And you like in when I play first time in VR, I'm so nervous but because it's like roller coaster. Your soul will leave your body. But now it's that. VR play game I will play. It's Gorilla Tag. Okay, and Roblox.